Hey, welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have a review of another wireless earbuds from EarFun. We already know this brand because we made video about EarFun free earbuds some weeks ago. Now we have the new wireless earbuds called EarFun Air. One of the main features of these earbuds is design. As you can see, they are winner of CES 2020 Innovation Awards. Also, they have longer battery life, about 35 hours, wireless charging and USB-C charging port, 4 built-in microphones, IPX7 waterproof and other features. Before recommending these earbuds to you or not, I want to do unboxing and full review. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, and let's get started. This is a box of EarFun Air. On the front we can see the image of earbuds, different awards and main features. On the back there is a full list of the features, such as superior sound, in-ear capacitive detection technology, IPX7 waterproof, etc. In the box I found the charging case with earbuds, USB-C charging cable, user manual and extra ear tips of different size, from extra small to large. As already said, EarFun Air has design awards from CES 2020 Innovation and IF Design 2020. I think the new earbuds look simple but stylish. They have only company logo, touch button and LED indicator on the outside. The charging contacts are on the bottom. You can also see microphone holes. The earbuds have 4 microphones. EarFun Air has removable silicone ear tips. And you have to choose the right size for you, extra small, small, medium or large. The charging case is also simple. It is made of the same materials and color as earbuds themselves. There is EarFun logo on the top and USB-C charging port on the bottom. On the front there is only one LED indicator. By the way, EarFun Air are waterproof by IPX7 standard. The manufacturer says that the new earbuds have innovative Sweatshield technology. You don't have to worry about earbuds when you're exercising or even taking a shower. However, the charging case is not waterproof, so don't wet it in the water. All wireless earbuds in 2020 connect in the same way, including EarFun Air. You just need to take them out of charging case, or you can get one of earbuds. Go to Bluetooth settings on your phone, laptop or any other device and choose EarFun Air. That's all. The manufacturer says that EarFun Air have full control. You can pause the music with double tap on the left or right earbud. Switch track with triple press. Also you can volume up with touch and hold of the right earbud and volume down with touch and hold of the left earbud. Of course, you can answer, reject and hold the phone calls. By the way, another very useful feature of EarFun Air is in-ear detection technology. When you listen to music and someone calls you, you don't have to stop the song. Just take the earbud out of the ear and the music will automatically stop. Then put the earbud back and the music automatically resumes playing. That's very convenient. You know, there are many wireless earbuds right now. Actually, all earbuds around $50 sound the same. Yeah, some of them have better bass, while others have clear sound. But overall the sound is similar. I cannot say that EarFun Air have much better sound quality than other wireless earbuds. It is about the same. However, that doesn't make them bad. The sound is very balanced, good bass and clear sound. The manufacturer said that EarFun Air use enhanced for microphone for noise-cancelling calls. I tested the earbuds on the phone calls in a crowded place, and the microphone quality is really good. Another feature of EarFun Air is battery life. Each earbud is equipped with 55 mAh battery. This is enough for 7 hours of playtime on a single charge. The charging case is 500 mAh. It can charge the earbud about 4 times. The total battery life is 35 hours. Also, the new earbuds from EarFun support wireless charging. The manufacturer says that wireless charging takes about 4 hours, while using USB-C port, you will need only 2 hours. Okay, let's summarize. Actually, I didn't find any drawbacks in these earbuds. EarFun Air have good sound quality, 4 microphones for better phone calls, long battery life, about 35 hours, wireless charging and USB-C charging port, IPX7 waterproof, all control options, including volume control. The design is simple, but stylish. Also, I like in-ear detection technology. Looks like EarFun Air are some of the best TWS earbuds, around $50. I will leave the link to buy them in description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.